My name is Vern LeClaire, and I am a product manager at Booz Hamilton, supporting both the SetX TAC server and the GV video streaming applications that we've brought here. And these are our customers. Not only the end users and the observers, but all the vendors. They're kind of quasi-partners. No sales pitch. We're not doing a canned demo behind a booth in a suit with sore feet because you're standing on concrete all day. The rodeo is put hands on, break it, test it, integrate it, and show it off. If you can work out here, you can work where our customers expect it to work. We've got two different teams. So we do have the TAC SitX video streaming team, and we have our unmanned systems team. So those guys are the unmanned systems team. Those guys are doing testing. On the SitX video streaming side, we're running the back-end logistics. So for everybody here that's pushing content, it's flowing through SitX. So are we testing it? Yes. Are we pitching it? No. Are we expecting breakage? Yes. If we're not doing something right. This is the rodeo. You have to break it to innovate. I mean, the first year we were here, everybody kind of worked in a bubble, but it was the very last day, and we said, take the covers off. It's like coming to an aunt and uncle's house for the week. They take care of you, they feed you. It's like family that you haven't seen in a year, and it's very relaxing, very comforting. You don't have to be anybody you're not here.